Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we'll see how to create Amazon Linux EC2 instance inside AWS Cloud. So as you can see here, I already taken login inside AWS Cloud, and in the right corner you can see there are different regions are there. So I have selected Mumbai because I want to create EC2 instance inside Mumbai region. So based on your location you can select the region here, and in the search service select the service EC2. So in the services you can see EC2 is there, so click on that. Then here you can read. So basically EC2 is a elastic compute cloud where we can create virtual servers inside our cloud, okay, inside AWS cloud. So here you can read the definition and the benefits and features of EC2 instance and the use cases and related services. All these things you can read here. So we want to launch the EC2 instance, we want to create EC2 instance, then we need to click on launch instance. Okay, so first of all we need to give some name to our EC2 instance. So I will give my first EC2 Linux as a name, and apart from that you can provide other additional tags as well. So 50 additional tags we can provide. One is there like name is a key and this is the value. So this is one key value pair, one tag, and apart from that we can give 49 tags. So click on this add additional tags. If you want to give, then you just need to click on this add new tag and you can give here like as a key, suppose work, and as a value I can give demo. So tag should be in the key value format, and the resource type here I want to give as an instance. So there are different resource type you can select over there. Then scroll down. In the AMI Amazon machine image, here there are multiple AMIs available. Suppose I want to create Linux EC2 instance. In this video we are going to create Linux EC2 instance. So in this case I'll select Amazon Linux, and suppose you want to create Windows, then you can click on this Windows, and suppose you want to browse more AMIs, then click on this browse more AMIs. Here there are multiple options are available. So this is the quick start AMIs, then the AWS marketplace. So there are around, you can see 6,000 marketplace AMIs available, but commonly used AMIs are this one. And here you can filter using the OS category, architecture, and in our case we are using free tier AWS account, so I'll choose this one. Here you can see free tier eligible, free tier eligible. Here you can see there is no free tier eligible, so this means this AMI is not comes under the free tier. So make sure select free tier eligible AMI only. So in our case we are going to use Linux AMI, select that one. Okay, AMI is selected. Then here you can see free tier eligible is there. Then scroll down. Here you need to select the instance type. So there are almost 600 instance types available inside AWS. So let's select compare instance type. Yeah, there are 588 instance types are available inside AWS. So here you can see T2 nano, T2 micro, T2 small, T2 medium, large, X large. Then the A1 range is there. Then the C1, C4, C4, yeah, C5. So almost 588 instance types are available, and based on virtual CPUs, based on memory, you can select instance type. Based on, basically you have to select this instance type based on your requirement. So in the free tier only T2 micro is available, and this is only eligible T2 micro, but you can select other and you have to pay some amount, okay, for other instance types. So in the free tier T2 micro is eligible, so that's why I have selected T2 micro here. So here you can see one virtual CPUs and 1 GB memory will get here. And in the other instance types, so virtual memory architecture is same, but yeah, there are different architectures. And memory Here you can see 32 GB, then the 16 GB, 8 GB, then the 3.75, 60 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB memory. So these types of memory, so based on the instance type, memory is vary, architecture is vary, and CPU is vary. So here I'll select T2 micro. Yeah, here you can see free tire eligible tag is there. So scroll down in the key pair section. We need to create new key pair. So key pair is needed to take SSH to our EC2 instance. So if key pair is already created, then you can use that key pair. If not, then you need to create new key pair. So click on create new key pair, then give key pair name here. So I'll give key 1 or key 2 as a key pair name, and key pair type should be RSA, and the private key file format should be PEM if you are using OpenSSH. And suppose if you are using Putty or Excel, any other software to take login, then you can give PPK as a key file format. So I'll select PEM here and click on create new key pair. So it will create key pair and it will automatically download. You can see here. If already created, then you can select here. So I have already Windows and key 1 as a key pair, but for demo purpose I have created new key pair as a key 2. Yeah, in the network settings you can keep as it is for now, and but make sure to allow SSH traffic from anywhere. This one should be enabled. Then this scroll down. Yeah, in the storage section, up to 30 GB it's free. So you can give any value here like 8 GB, 10 GB, anything. Up to 30 GB it's free. So I'll give 8 GB for now. Yeah, apart from this, advanced details are not required. You can keep as it is. This user data we can see later. This one is optional but very useful option. Yeah, here in the summary you can see how many instances you want, 1, 2, 3. You can increase the number count here, but currently I require only 1, so I'll give 1 here. Then this AMI, selected AMI you can see here, then the virtual server type, instance type you can see here selected, then the firewall, storage, all these things are there. Then hit launch instance. It will take some time, like 2-3 minutes to launch the instance. Yeah, successfully initiated. Click on this ID. Yeah, here you can see the instance state is pending. So we have to wait. Let me refresh it. It's running, but still we have to wait for this status check. It's showing initializing, so we have to wait until it shows 2x2 checks passed. Refresh it. Yeah, till then we can see other options. Click on that instance, select that instance, and here you can see the details like public IP address, private IP address, then the instance ID, all these things you can see here, private DNS, instance type, then the auto assigned IP address, all these things you can see here. Okay, let's refresh the instance. Yeah, it's showing running, but still it is showing initializing, so we have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so status checks is passed. You can see here 2x2 checks are passed. Okay, so scroll down. So there are a couple of ways to connect our EC2 instance. So let me show one easiest way. Directly just click on this connect, select EC2 instance first, and directly click on this connect. So it will directly connect to our EC2 instance. Click on connect. So it will directly connect to our EC2 instance without asking anything. You can see we have logged in our EC2 instance. And another way is using your Windows CMD. So let me copy this public IP first. Then let me open CMD command prompt. So using command prompt also you can connect. So let me put, first of all you need to go inside the directory where our PEM file is present. So currently we have downloaded our PEM file inside downloads. So we need to go there, downloads, Okay, and SSH. Then the EC2, it's a by default user for the Linux instance, EC2 user hyphen user, then the at the rate and the public IP, then the hyphen I and the key to our PEM file. Okay, then hit enter. So it will ask like, are you sure you want to connecting? Click on like type yes here. Yeah, by using this also you can take login and you can go inside your EC2 instance. But like easiest way to just click on connect and just go inside that EC2 instance using this Amazon Connect. Here I will do ls. So currently you can see we are logged in using the EC2 user. Suppose you want to switch the user as a root, then you can type sudo su. So here you can see the difference. First, previously we were logged in using EC2 user. Now we are switched to the root user. Okay. Yeah, that's it for now. So make sure to stop your EC2 instance once your activity is done. So select that EC2 instance, then click on instance state. So there are multiple options: stop instance, reboot instance, and the terminate and delete instance. So terminate will basically delete your EC2 instance, and the stop instance means we can use that EC2 instance later as well. So let me stop it. Click on stop. Yeah, here you can see the pop-up like successfully initiated stopping of this instance. Just refresh it and you can see here. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, let me drag it. Yeah, its status is showing stopped. It means our EC2 instance is stopped. But if you want to delete, then click on this and terminate delete EC2 instance. And if you want to start it again, then click on start instance. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe our channel. Bye bye.